the most inexpensive way to do content creation is your phone. Your phone have such an amazing camera. You pay like $1,000 or more for your smartphone. Use it. It's a very powerful camera. Welcome to Mastery Podcast, where we share stories of impact-driven entrepreneurs to create that ripple effects of positivity. I am your host, Dr.Sas. I support entrepreneurs to improve their brand message and crush it on camera so they can attract more clients and create more impact. Today, we're going to talk about how to use your iPhone, which is this phone, this camera over here, to create content. And you don't need multiple camera angles. You can just use your iPhone. And the first tip you want to do is you want to shoot from the back. And this is your camera here. You want it to be this way and look at the camera this way when you record yourself. And here I'm looking at the camera. Arif, if you can cut to me on this camera, you can tell that I'm looking in the lens of the eyes. And now I have the Sony camera. I'm looking in the lens of the audience, right? The lens of the camera, which is I'm looking at you, straight at you. And with the iPhone, it's the same thing. The lens are here. So you want to be looking at this lens. So that's the first tip. The second thing you want to do is you want your iPhone to be in this orientation, horizontal. Why? Because you get the most stuff right here. Plus, you can upload it to Facebook, to LinkedIn, to YouTube in the horizontal way. And if you have an editor or you know how to resize it, even when you upload it manually to your IG or YouTube Shorts and stuff like that, you can resize it to fit. And with anything, with testimony and all those stuff, we prefer it to be like this, horizontal. So that tip number 2. So you face it this way because you get a better quality of pictures. And if you're only gonna do it for social media, then facing yourself with the front camera is fine. It's just that you can see yourself better. But if you face yourself with the front camera, make sure you look at the camera. The camera is right here, not in the middle. So make sure you test it. And everybody have different type of phone. I just happen to use iPhone, so I sort of know iPhone more than Androids. So we're going to be talking about iPhone. The second thing we want to do with using your phone as a video camera is you want to, especially iPhone. So with the iPhone, what you want to do is mirror what you recording to your monitor or to your laptop or to your desktop. You can do this by just swipe right and click this two screen. It's like two screen and it's a screen mirroring, and it will look for a computer, or if you have the TV screen, it will look for the TV. If your TV can do AirPlay, it will automatically show your TV on here. For me, I have my laptop and my desktop that is connected to my phone through AirPlay. We don't watch TV. So we don't have any TV in the house. There's one TV that came with the house that we never took it down. We never take it down, but it's just there. We never look at it. So we don't have a TV. But anyway, for those who have, you have a smart TV that you can mirror your iPhone to. So when you shoot your video from the back camera, you can see yourself. The third tip is to use the tripod. Now I have this if I'm sitting at a desk or I have like a stool to put it on and I will be stand over here. Nothing worse than using your hand, right? If you're outside and you don't have any tripod with you and you're shooting a story, then that's fine. But if you're creating content for your social media, for your Facebook, LinkedIn, and stuff like that, you want to use the tripod. And this one is for a desk. We bought this from Amazon. It's called Joby. There's tons of them, and you don't have to buy the high quality one. This one is better because you can move it and it tells you if it's tilted or if it's at the even plane, because it had this water bubble thing to for you to look at. And if you don't have to buy something this fancy, you can buy something cheaper. We have all kinds of tripod because we've been making videos for years, and we just start collecting different tripods. Another tripod that we use, well, one of the ones, if you are outside or even inside and if you're standing, right, you don't have any table or chairs to put your tripod on, get the one that you can adjust the leg. This one just pop open like this, and you can lengthen the leg or shorten it, and they have all this adjustment. This one, there's tons of them. We just go to Amazon to look for different stuff, and I'm not promoting Amazon, but I sort of am. They need to pay me. But anyway, we just go there because for us it's just more convenient. You can go to any store and any online store to look for different tripods, and there are different type with different quality, and that's up to you, up to your budget, whatever you want to use. And why would you want to use tripod? Because you want your hands to be free, and you can use the selfie stick, but then your arm still be like this, right? Your arm still busy holding something. And if you watch my other video, when we make video, we want to be engaging with the audience, which is the lens of the camera. So you want to use your hands. And if you don't use the tripod, you don't have hand gesture, and then you'll be like just gesturing with one hand, which, is it okay if you don't have anything and you're just doing a story? Like I said before, you're holding your camera and you still gesturing with one hand, then it's okay. But when you're planning to create content, you want to make sure you have a tripod, you have something to hold your phone. And there's this little attachment that you put on top of the tripod. I don't want to move my iPhone right now. It's mounted on a tripod, and it has the little holder that you can, it's a phone holder. I'm not sure what you call it, but I think they just call it phone holder, and you can buy that anywhere. We bought ours from Amazon, and it's really convenient because it holds your phone in place, and you don't have this tilting, or if you hold your phone with your hand, it's just unprofessional. And this is the most inexpensive way to do content creation, is to use your phone. Your phone have such an amazing camera, and you pay like $1,000 or more for your smartphone, and use it. Use it. It's a very powerful camera. Another thing that you can use is with your iPhone or your smartphone is lavalier, and we'll B-roll that in, a picture of the lavalier. I don't have it with me right now, and we'll put it in the picture. The lavalier, you put it on your shirt or your jacket. If you have a jacket, it's perfect. Or you thread it underneath your shirt, and clip it on here. And that is really, really useful because, I mean, the mic on your phone is great, but to have a better quality of sound, we suggest that you get the external microphone. And lavalier is good. We have a Rode that we attach, that I say we because my husband and I, we share our equipment. I have the Rode mic that I attach to the end of my phone, that whenever I'm outside or whenever I do the mobile video outdoor, I take that with me. Even now I use it as a backup because this is the microphone that I'm using, and here, this is what it looked like. And if you want to go out and buy that, then it's fine. It's just more convenient because you don't have anything clip on you and you just look more natural when you do the video, but unnecessary. The thing is, you need to start somewhere. Start with an iPhone with no gadgets. This is just something extra. Once you start filming yourself and you start getting more comfortable, then get the tripod, get the microphone and all those stuff. But for now, just use your iPhone. And the tripod is really, really cheap. You can get it for $20 on Amazon. It doesn't need to be fancy. And I'll link some of the stuff that I use in the description in this YouTube video. And if you are listening, I suggest that you go to our YouTube channel and watch this video because it's going to make a lot more sense when you can see me talking. And that's pretty much all you need to know to start creating video content for your YouTube channel or for your LinkedIn or for your Facebook and for your IG. And with the IG, your orientation would be probably vertical. But again, like I said, you can repurpose it. You can resize your video. There are so many apps out there that will resize the video for you as long as you stay in the middle of the frame. And one last thing, practice. How do you practice? Visit us on our Facebook page. It is called Crush It on Cam. And we also have an IG account called Crush It on Cam. There's tons of videos on there, tips and tricks for entrepreneur business owner who are not really savvy with video creating, and we make it really simple. We try not to make it complicated because we are business owner. We have tons of stuff to do, right? Content creation is the last thing on our mind. We running a business, we running a team and all those stuff, and we want it to be simple. And this is the simplest that I can make it for you. Get a phone, get a tripod, start shooting video. Whether you use the back camera or the front camera, just do that. And visit us on our Facebook page. Join our 30-day Facebook challenge. Now, the first challenge started on July 15th, but you can still, I will allow a few people to come in within the week of the challenge start. But the thing is, you need to do it every day consecutively for 30 days. $100 gift certificate for everyone who finished the 30-day challenge. And then we have prizes. We have $250 gift certificate. We have $500 gift certificate. And we have $1,000 gift certificate. All this gift certificate, you can use it toward any Crush It on Cam, either it be in-person event or Crush It on Cam digital courses. You can use it anywhere. Crush It on Cam products. So I invite you to join us, and it's a friendly, close group. We are really gentle and we don't judge you, but we give you recommendation on what can you improve. And there is a great community there of entrepreneurs and coaches and authors and business owners who are on the same journey as you are. So join us on Crush It on cam 30-day Facebook challenge, striving for mastery in all you do. That's it for now. Have a great day.